To add a second ATA hard drive to improve your PC's performance, first, cover your work surface with several sheets of newspaper. Shut down your PC, unplug it, and place it on top of the newspaper. The newspaper will act as a static mat to avoid ruining computer components. To open the case, you may have to remove case screws. If so, put the screws aside in a bowl or cup. Remove the side panel of the case, touching the metal chassis of the computer to dissipate any static electricity. Verify the jumper settings on the back of your original drive. Jumpers are the tiny plastic and metal shunts that you use to configure hard drives and CD/DVD drives. If necessary, change the existing drive to multiple drives master unit by moving the jumper to the indicated pins. You may find it helpful to use a PC toolkit containing a tweezer-like tool that will allow you to more easily move the jumper to the desired pin. If the settings aren't printed on the drive, check the manual or visit the manufacturer's website. Set the jumpers on the back of the new drive for multiple drives slave unit. If your new drive needs a drive cage to fit into the desired bay, use the screws supplied by the drive manufacturer to attach the cage rails to both sides of your drive. Or if your hard drive requires you to mount the drive directly to the cage, remove the cage from the case to more easily mount the hard drive. Slide the drive into the selected bay, making sure that the end with the connectors is exposed. Slide the hard drive back and forth in the drive bay until the screw holes in the side of the bay are aligned with the